Hey DanishTuber, it's competition time and you can win a month of free Danish classes for you and your friend. Stick around to find out how.
DanishTube.
DanishTube has hit the big milestone, and that means now that there are all kinds of new ways that you can support DanishTube. You can become a member of Team Aarhus or Team Copenhagen. Of course, Team Copenhagen is a little bit more expensive than Aarhus. In short, you get access to super chats, brand new exclusive live streams, brand new videos, brand new exclusive bonus podcast episodes, and much, much more. Oh, there's also a really cool store. You can now get Moltail written on a cup, or on a t-shirt if you like, or maybe on a tote bag. DanishTube, DanishTuber. Are you a DanishTuber? Get it on a t-shirt. So anyway, to celebrate this huge achievement on DanishTube, I'm celebrating by giving away a month of free classes for you and a friend. All you need to do is like this video, comment in the comment section who you want to bring along to the class, and in a week's time I'm going to do the draw, do a bit of a raffle, find out who it is that wins the classes. Go ahead and get commenting. At the very least, if you like my channel, if you like the podcast, watch it here on YouTube. This is where it will make a difference in my life. Forget Spotify and Apple, we don't want to watch it there. Watch it here on YouTube. That's good for me. Last thing, our weekly meetups on Tuesdays are back on. Come and join us if you want to practice your Danish for free. Join the community, meet other Danish learners, practice, have some fun with the Danish language. Come and join us on Tuesday, 8:30 p.m. Danish time. Otherwise, get commenting, comment your friends, tag your friends, and good luck. Tak fordi du ser med. Vi ses.
DanishTube.